to our guide on finding the perfect custom meal plan. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply eat healthier, a personalized meal plan can make all the difference. Before you start, it's crucial to understand your goals. Ask yourself, what are you trying to achieve? Do you want to lose weight, gain energy, or improve your overall health? Are there any dietary restrictions or preferences you need to consider? Jot down your goals and requirements to guide your meal planning journey. Next, assess your lifestyle. Consider: how much time can you dedicate to meal prep? Do you prefer quick meals or enjoy cooking? How many meals will you need each week? Understanding your schedule will help you create a realistic and sustainable meal plan. Now, let's talk nutrition. Consider your age, weight, height, and activity level to determine your caloric needs. Aim for a balanced diet that includes proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. You can use apps or consult with a nutritionist to help you create a plan that meets your needs. Now it's time to customize your meal plan. Start with a template or app that allows you to input your goals and preferences. Choose recipes that excite you and rotate them weekly to avoid boredom. Don't forget to include snacks. Make sure to create a shopping list based on your meal plan to simplify your grocery shopping. Preparation is key. Dedicate a day to meal prep, chopping veggies, cooking grains, and portioning out meals. Store meals in clear containers for easy access throughout the week. This will save you time and keep you on track with your meal plan. Finally, don't forget to evaluate your progress. Take note of how you feel and any changes in your health or energy levels. Be flexible and adjust your meal plan as needed. Experiment with new foods and recipes to keep things fresh and enjoyable. Finding the perfect custom meal plan doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these steps, you can create a plan that fits your lifestyle and helps you achieve your goals. Subscribe for more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy meal planning!